Part 9 of Reading the Constitution Together. This is Article 3, Sections 1, 2, and 3. You might hear a little background noise in this one. Here we go. Section 1. The judicial power of the United States will be entrusted to one Supreme Court and in whatever lower courts Congress decides to create in the future. The judges of all these courts may stay in office for as long as they demonstrate good behavior. They must be paid for their services on a regular basis, and their pay may not be decreased during their time in office. Section 2. The judicial power will include all civil and criminal cases that concern this Constitution, the laws of the United States, and treaties made under their authority. The judicial power will also include all cases affecting ambassadors and other public officers and diplomats, and all cases where laws of the oceans and seas apply. The judicial power will also include all controversies in which the United States is one of the parties, all controversies between two or more states, between citizens of different states, and between citizens of the same state who are claiming lands under grants of different states. The Supreme Court will have the primary authority over all cases that affect ambassadors, other public officials and diplomats, and those cases in which a state is involved. The Supreme Court will have authority in all other cases previously mentioned if the cases are appealed to them. This authority will include both matters of law and fact. There may be exceptions under regulations that Congress makes. Trials for all crimes except cases of impeachment must be by jury, and these trials must be held in the state where the crimes were committed. If the crimes were not committed inside of any state, the trial will be held wherever Congress has decided by law. Section 3. Treason against the United States means making war against them, or joining with their enemies, or giving them assistance and support. A person may not be convicted of treason unless there is a testimony of at least 2 witnesses to the same actual act, or unless the person confesses in a public courtroom. No, that's for Mama. Don't touch it. Congress will have the power to declare the punishment for treason, but the penalty... Hold on. But the penalty may not include confiscating a person's property after that person is executed. Follow me for part 10. Please. We can do this together.